That is one pretty kickstand. It's supposed to be adjustable. Let's see if we can adjust it out far enough to make up for the height here. I hope so, because this party and I really like it. Well, like I was worried about, it's entirely too short, and that's as long as it gets. Oh well. Maybe I can make a big foot for it. I really like it. It's so party. Oh, yeah. And it's gonna sink into sand anyways, even if it was long enough. So, I just have to use my brain and try and figure out how to make a foot for it, to add a few inches to it. Alrighty, let's open up this other box and see if this works out for me. Oh, trying to do it with one hand. Silly me. What do we have here? Ooh, a nice pretty muffler. Hopefully this works out a little better than the kickstand. Oh yeah, this is gonna make a huge difference. This little puppy weighs next to nothing. That thing has got to weigh 12 pounds. Alright, time to break out the Sawzall and cut it off right about there. Oh yeah, Mildred's going on a serious weight loss program. Cut that puppy up for running. All I gotta do is hug. Find my Sawzall in this mess. It's down there somewhere. Well, this isn't exactly working out well either. The adapter is too loose for the pipe, and I don't have enough to weld that pipe and those and fix my other kickstand if I still need to, because that thing's way too short. So I had this crazy idea. I just pack some JV welded where it's looking like it's gonna leak, and then let that dry till tomorrow, and then put the clips on so I can hook the springs up, and hopefully this will work. I don't know. But either way, I guess I'm not doing nothing till tomorrow. So cross your fingers, and, well, for you it'll be a couple of seconds. For me, I'll see you tomorrow, or in a minute. You know. One thing is for sure, it's sure gonna look a whole lot fucking better and be 1,000 times lighter than that big old beast. Man, that big old ugly thing. And I took the friggin' baffle out of her. Yes, sirree. You can see right down this one. Might gain us a couple horsepower. it's on there. It is pretty, huh? Anyways, but I ran out of welding wire. Hopefully this bottom one will hold on. It's only welded on the other side. That spring's not that tight anyway, so should be okay until I get some more wire. Because I think I'm gonna have to weld the kickstand because that one I bought is just entirely too short. Oh well, but that's okay. Monday we got a surprise coming, and well, the kickstand might just go on that, and that's the clue you get. That's the only clue you get. Yeah. Alrighty, that's on there, and I had to put the baffle back in there because without it, it's loud. It's still louder than it was, but I'll drive her around and see what she sounds like. But without the baffle, it just seemed pretty darn loud. Well, I guess we just take it for a ride tomorrow and see what it sounds like. Yeah. I really don't want to be chased around by the cops because it's too loud, so I don't know. We're gonna first try it out with the baffle in it and see what it sounds like. If it sounds good and I'm still getting a performance increase, hey, that's cool. And then, I don't know, if it ain't quite loud enough, then we'll try it without it. I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, y'all know the deal. Hit all them buttons. Maybe that crazy bell thing. That way you don't miss anything, right? Stay safe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.